Hi, my name is Taylor Robertson. I'm a robotics software developer on the Cooper app. Today we will be using the Weld by Numbers feature. When creating a weld point, you will notice that you are given the option size weld 4. If you launch this menu, you will be presented with Lincoln Electric's Weld by Numbers. This Weld by Numbers set is based off your consumables that you set up when you initially configured your system. Each of these numbers is associated to a weld size and material thickness. Based off the sizes you are using, select the appropriate number, and all of the welding parameters that are in your weld schedule will be automatically populated for you. I'm going to use a weld number 6. I click OK, and my weld points created from this point on will use weld number 6. These parameters include travel speed, wire feed speed, trim, and many other additional parameters that you do not have to set for the remainder of your program. If you wish to change a weld by number on a weld that you have already created, you can select the weld. As you can see, it currently says weld 4, and select the edit weld option. Again, you are presented with the option size weld 4. If I click on this, it will bring me back to the Weld by Numbers screen. From here, I can update my weld by number to a weld 6 or whichever number matches your material thickness and weld size. When I am happy with my selection, I click OK, and the weld type has been updated in my program. That is how you can use our Weld by Numbers feature.